on. Make one phone call, as you may say. Circle them ends like a compass. Shot a kick like a football. People don't listen to them lyrics and push them and come out of bumbuck like that. Yo, run back and stop on it one more time.
Gone to the Obia man. That life no free that neither. Me just make one call. Link up my bad driver, circle them ends like a compass. Then shot a kick like football. From the war start, we don't talk.
Reaction.
What's up YouTube, it's about Terry Vlogs aka The Reaction. Boss, back in the with another video for you guys. Now today we're back in Guyana. What's happening, people? We miss you? You miss me? You miss me? I see I'm wearing the merch. So if you want the merch, link down below in the description, go copy it. You feel me? We heard a song called Demon Mode by Daan Chorus. I haven't heard that song from him in like a year for real. I think I only did like one reaction for him, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna get straight to this reaction right now. Song came out a day ago. It's doing good at 8K views. It's doing straight, you know. So go check it out if y'all haven't heard it yet, you know. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get straight to this reaction right now. Let's go. Oh God.
Be forever ready for war. I'll leave your nose for
hey, I say no say a bad man. The man not drive no automatic car in the youth. I stick the money I driving the people. You see me? I say, go on.
I don't tell them, you know. Hey, yo, Dangus. Yo, Vince. Yeah, dog. We ain't afraid of no pussy.
Yo, the dog gonna make it no straight off the butt. I'm afraid of nobody. This ain't even start yet. That gonna make you know straight up. So yo, you not afraid of nobody. So don't diss the link. Go on.
Afraid of nobody. How young faithful just want them know. This time you go run up in a demon mode. Chip block make you dance like heel and toe.
What? He dogs house want to know no. If you don't diss now, you run up in a demon bumbo clap mode, you know. Demon mode, you know, you gonna dance like a Leland. Why is it Leland too? Why accent always a catch me to go on.
Me in a demon mode. Why start boy dead? Gunshot lodge in your blood clot. Just run up and bust it for make them know. Me in a demon mode.
I'm first time I to the side, but I was trying to catch a sign. Run back look a bit.
Why start boy dead? Gunshot lodge in your blood clot. Just run up and bust it for make them know.
Just run up and bust it for make them know. See man run up here and shoot up that bomb buckler. Just to make you know say dog in a demon mode. This a bad man, this and you're dead. This shot head up in your blood clot head. Just run up and bust it and make them know. Go on.
In a demon mode. Yo. Well, from a pussy, this dog life. I play the trigger like not nice. Shots tipping on head like it baptized. Face open, skull crack twice, yeah.
Shots sticking in head like him baptized, but that's it from a dog. This bumbuckly dog life, people. A while ago, me do a double check, right? I double check to make sure, say, I write it to a song from Daan Chorus, right? See them right, I say, for not realize, right? I'm gonna check the comment on the first thing. The first comment, you know, Daan Chorus himself comment and say, yo, dog life. Read the comment in the people. What's right to them? You can't find. Dog, big up reaction, boss. Dog life or no life. 1 year later, dog still a say dog life. So you must know dog live it. Let's go straight to it still.
And now if them send call 30 pastors, them can't come with demons when that rise. Pastor will tell you man vicious like Rottweilers. And you drops when more wicked than Al-Qaeda. Israel burial plus Al-Qaeda.
I'm so like a blood class selector dog. What? Anyways, but yo, go on dog say what wicked like Rottweiler.
I'm missing and can't find back. That's all when them gone to the Obia man. Dog life no free that neither. Me just make one call. Link up my bad driver, circle them ends like a compass. Then shot a kick like football.
Hold on. Make one phone call, as you may say. Circle them ends like a compass. Shot a kick like a football. People don't listen to them lyrics and push them and come out of bumbuck like that. Yo, run back and stop on it one more time.
Gone to the Obia man. Dog life no free that neither. Me just make one call. Link up my bad driver, circle them ends like a compass. Then shot a kick like football. From the war start, we don't talk. Me just want them know. This time you go run up in a demon mode. Chip block make you dance like heel and toe. Me in a demon mode. I start, boy dead. Gunshot lodging on your blood clot. Just run up and bust it for make them know. Me not demon.
That them toys you have barrels. Now play toys, don't put it. Don't put them toys where they got
Shot lodging on your blood clot. Just run up and bust it for make them know. Me not demon, what the catch is ready if you do the damage. Switch off, full up a body, we full of maggot.
Hold on. He does say, yo, ready if you do the damage. Switch off, full up a body, we full up a maggot. People ready for saying I go and bad most of 5 emoji in the comment section right now. You see me I say, I don't want a 1 comment, I don't want a 2 comment because I want to play number 2. You see me I say, so 3 to 4 to 5 comments in the comment section. If you don't know what to comment, drop some fire emoji right now. Me wait, pardon. You see me I say, me text that one girl. Drop some fire emoji. Are you me wait pardon to start? Jano star. You got run through. Go on!
Longer than the last in a Illuminati. I mean not do the chatting, actually we're full. What the catch is ready if you do the damage. Switch off, full up a body, we're full of maggot. Clip longer than the last in a Illuminati. I mean not do the chatting, I shot in your body. I drop the pussy down, I held it, busting head straight, shut up and show it, head straight, pussy.
What did that up on the floor? Hold on, listen.
I drop the pussy down, I held it, busting head straight, shut up and show it, head straight, pussy. Blood I run like him a menstruate, still give him
I say that, you want to see your blood run like your menstruate. Basically your blood run like you're on your period. I'm gonna shoot you and make your blood run like a period upon. Red. Who just the lyrics? Go on!
Dessert on him chest plate, evilest ways. We just want them know. This time you go run up in a demon mode. Shit blood make you dance like heel and toe. Me in a demon mode. I start, boy dead. Gunshot lodging on your blood clot. Just run up and bust it for make them know. Me in a demon mode. Come make we tough up the top guard and circle elements. Them say them a gangster that a false pretense. You see them a hype up, but none of my strikers no afraid figure.
That part, the can't play once. Go on, listen again.
Just run up and bust it for make them know. Me not demon. Come make we tough up the top guard and circle elements. Them say them a gangster that a false pretense. Me see them a hype up, but none of my strikers no afraid figure run up and bust them ass.
So the dog say him see her hype up, you know. Him see her hype up like yourself and I go like a general for the streets, you know. But none of them thugs are no afraid figure shell on your ends. Not even one. Not even the little one just graduated from high school. None of them. Be a bad man up on the ends and not them afraid of you. Go on.
Me no know what them feel like. Pussy man bad up in a real life. I be with weed all alone, me no need 5. Figure wet up them ends like steel pipe.
If you go kidnap shmaddy, just figure touch her. Me and shmaddy for your war, that can.
Hold on. They ask somebody to kidnap somebody just because torture them.
But I like to see the cops shout for me. My grandson don't soft like Parliament.
Yo, brawling, very brawling indeed. People, what are your thoughts on this music? Drop it down below in the comment section and the song itself. It's been a boy Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you don't want to comment some fire emoji. We gone. Big up on the button buckle yourself.